Dear writers, how are you? Ignite. How do you imagine your memoir? Have you ever gotten good ideas from example texts? Today we will browse through examples. Chunk. Exploring past memories on shared blog. farnsworthmemories.home.blog. Generating ideas for a memoir. Writing for depth and complexity. Focus theme, you, not it. Chew. Look at the sample memoirs and notice which ones stand out to you the most. Review. Comment below. The memoirs that stood out to me the most were, my memoir shows something about me that I, Dr. Stocker. The memoirs that stood out to me the most were the humorous ones. My memoir shows something about me that I really love staying up late reading. Have a great day, everyone. Good luck. Have fun with it, too. Bye-bye, Dr. Stocker.